Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money with crypto lending pools. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So in the last few years, borrowing and lending crypto has become more and more popular. Like with traditional loans, you can lend out your digital assets and charge high interest to the person who borrows from you. You can give or get a loan with your crypto through a number of services and platforms. However, the way it works is a little different than with traditional loans. How does lending out crypto work? Investors lend fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies to other people in exchange for interest payments on those assets. The lender will get interest from the borrower in exchange for the loan, and the borrower who will put up crypto assets as collateral to protect the investor's investment are the two main people involved. The step-by-step guide to lending and borrowing. The process of lending can be different on different platforms, but here are the steps that each party will usually have to take to get a crypto-backed loan. For the lenders, give crypto assets to the borrower in exchange for bonds that show you gave them crypto. Then get more bonds in the form of interest. Send over the bonds you got through the smart contract when you want your money back. And the last step, make money with your cryptocurrency. For the borrowers, register on a platform that indicates the desired amount. The platform then figures out automatically how much cryptocurrency is needed as collateral. After all, the borrower deposits the collateral on the platform. The borrower fills out a loan application and waits for approval. The last step here is the money is put into the borrower's account by the platform. So why would you give someone else your crypto? 1. Attractive interest rates. High interest is the main perk for lenders. You will probably get back more crypto than you lent out, so you will make money without doing much. Also, the rate of interest is probably much higher than the rate on your savings account. 2. How to avoid volatility in crypto. In general, you can lend out almost any cryptocurrency you want. But lending stablecoins may seem like a newer way for crypto owners to make money. By lending stablecoins, which are digital assets that are tied to a local currency, you can grow your assets without the usual risk that comes with cryptocurrency. In short, it's likely that you will be able to estimate how much you will get back before you even lend out your crypto assets. Before choosing a platform or a currency to lend, do your own research just like you would with anything else in crypto. You want to stay away from shady people in the game and always be ready to start lending. Take your time though to understand the terms of the loan, and it never hurts to have a backup plan in case the borrower can't pay you back. Start looking into exchanges, platforms, and DeFi protocols to see which ones you might like the best. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar, Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.